Good morning, pipe smokers on YouTube. It's Mikey O from Talon, and today is the giveaway prize winning, which will be two draws even, and one winner chosen by me. So, first of all, big thank you to everybody who has subscribed to me. My subscriptions have risen from 91 to 131, so exactly 40 new subscribers since I announced the giveaway. That's a nice, for those who are mathematically interested, 44 point something increase in my subs. But it's not about subs, it's about the community and talking to those who partake in the community. I'm playing the bat, so glasses have to go on again. I had 12 video responses to my request for some information to enter the giveaway. We managed to cover quite a bit of the globe. We have from Canada, Giles, from US, we had Eric Harpert, Sue Dunhill, Ethan Levitt, David Doherty, and Ed Grandpa Cavendish. We had from England Kevin Koenigs Rex, from Wales Dan the Man, the pipe smoker from Wales. We had Connor Cunningham, Soulshine Smoker from Ireland. Australia, we had the usual ruffians, the Alex George, and Glen Thompson, the pipe nutter. Who else? And finally from Sweden we had the vinyl piper, Tom. So huge thank you to those 12, the dirty dozen we'll call them. I was so happy that those people did send in VRs. I know most of them, talk regularly to them, even outside the YTPC. Most of us talk on Voxer as well, and through other media. So that's great for me. I know all these people, and we'll be delighted for any of them to win a prize or two. So, the responses. Well, what to say? Basically, from the responses, I had people showing me their favourite pipes, their favourite shapes for smoking, their first pipes, why they bought that, what still attracts them to it. So straight away I had the impression there was a certain amount of form over function being the prime mover in people's minds. In saying that, I also think the term function has been slightly abused by most people. The assumption was form, meaning its look. Function I did not mean did it smoke well, etc. The assumption being we're buying a pipe and that part of the functionality was at least right. Although in saying that, I was showing some pipes that I doubt they even made that criteria. So I don't think that's the problem of a Falcon lover. More, I have to question other people's motives for buying pipes. So it was great fun watching people's ideas. To me, functionality was basically things like, if you were a clencher, like I am, would you choose a heavy pipe, non-clenchable pipe, because it looks so well? I would say, no, I'm a clencher, I'd rather go for a clenching-like pipe. If I was a driller, which I am, would I choose a non-army mount or non-Falcon? I have in the past, but I wouldn't now. I would always choose at least an army mount if I was smoking a full briar, or since 90% of my smoking is done through Falcons, I choose my Falcons. That was what I meant by functionality. To me, basically the form of two holes, a stem and a bowl should at least cover that it smokes. So anyway, it was everyone has to their own views. It was entirely interesting. I was shown around and been mesmerised by a row of white Dunhills from the Queen Dunhill herself, Maud Bunriana Sue Dunhill, my queen. So it was. I was also showing some wonderful meerschaums in their wonderful light tan golden colours that she has. I was showing a non-functional 2-pipe in one. Whatever that's about, Sue, I'm not too sure. Sharing your pipes, but sharing 2 mouthpieces, I have my doubts. But it was wonderful to see everything and everybody's thoughts. I had some beautiful Jake Haggart pipes from David Doherty. I saw some of the wonderful pipes from Pipe Nutter. Everybody has their own favourite form. And actually, this led to the other question. I was getting people saying, oh, it's not just form and function. They were adding in finance. They were even adding in fashion. Funny how it all seemed to be Fs. So, of course, that led to some of me being on the accountancy side and the number side. 1F, Falcon, equals form, function, finance, fashion. That's 4 Fs. 1F equals 4 Fs. Not in my day as a mathematician. So that equation to summarise that didn't seem to work. Of course, I thought. Not if you 4 of them. 1F equals 4 Fs divided by 4. 1F equals 1F. So maybe that's true. You need 4 bowls to make a Falcon functionality really shine through. I'm holding to that anyway, that 1 Falcon, 1F equals form, fashion, functionality and finance divided by 4. So anyway, it was all good fun, as I said. I enjoyed it all. Had a laugh to myself. Of course, there has to be winners. So, what I decided to do on the draw side was a draw for all the subscribers, which is, for me, just a thank you to anybody who subscribed, whether they sent in a VR or not. For that, I thought, well, we will have a nice Falcon shillelagh. Green, of course, for Ireland, being Irish, with a white mouthpiece. And I thought, how about a nice big Algiers, which is really a hyper bowl, which is really a Dublin. Keep it Irish. So, I thought that'd be pretty nice as a prize for doing nothing but subscribing to my GAW. Put some nice English in there. Wow, tasty, tasty. What could be more Irish than that? An Irish Falcon shillelagh, a Dublin bowl, and burning in English. I'll get killed by that. Sorry out there. Don't come back to me on that one. Don't expect political correctness from my GAW. So that's the prize. For a random draw for 131 subscribers, of which 125 have shared their subscription. So who the other 6 are, I don't know. I don't know how to find out. As people say, it's my channel. If they don't share that, they certainly won't get in the draw. I've printed off and given everybody a number. I randomly chose the sheet, so it's not in order who subscribed to me first. You can see the last one there is 125, and someone there starts off on page 1, and there's X number of pages. So I need to decide to do a random number generator. So we'll get that set up soon. Random number generator. I'm going to do it in my mobile so you can see what I'm doing. I've chosen the random.org the truly random number generator, it says. It'll do me. Let's see if you see that. Anybody see that? Maybe not. I hope you can see it. It's loading up. I'm hoping you will be able to see that. Okay, so I'm going to set the parameters 1 to 125. I'll raise the screen. Let's put in the numbers 1, 2, 5. You see that? I don't even know if you can see that. Because all I'm seeing is a bright light. I'm going to press the button now, mate. Generate. And the number is number 20. Not on page 1. Number 20. Somebody's got quite a few subscriptions anyway. I don't know the person in myself. It looks to be appropriately metal morphist. No idea. 815 subscriptions. So I will hook up with him, or he can hook up with me. I will send him an email, or they contact him on YouTube, and see I get a reply there. Secondly, for the VR responses, which I was immensely gratified, 2 prizes. First prize for a random, I'm not going to use the random generator. This one we're going to have a draw for the 12 names that are in there. I had 2 people said they didn't want to be part of the draw. I refused to accept that. If you're in the draw, you're in the draw. I only have 12. Got to get in there. Just to let you know what's happening here. I have an empty tin of Zulu. It's got 12 names, sheets. For example, just pull one out. Everyone's got a name in it, of the 12 names that I read out at the start. And because I'm not choosing this one, this is simply going to be for €100. A voucher, whether it's through a tobacconist, whether it's a cash payment, for the winner to do what they like. I was hoping they were using their local tobacconists and try and support them, but I'm not going to say it. What they do with it, I don't care. But at least buy tobacco with it, please. Or something related to the piping. Now, my wife's working today. I was hoping she was going to draw it, so I'm thinking how to make the draw. I'm looking around me because I have my grey parrot, Roma. I was hoping, talking to me somewhere, I'm hoping that he will do the draw. So if you just bear with me, I'll see if I can get it. Oh, here he is, the star of the show. Hello, Roma. Kiss, 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 Papa. Mwah. Cuckoo. Roma, is it Tinker? Tinker. I wonder if she'll pick one out. Huh? I give it a good shake, Roma. I wonder if she likes to smell the tobacco. Here, here. Oh. No, Roma. Roma. Oh, she had one. She had one. Didn't take it out. Roma. Roma. Yes! Yes! Well done, kiss, kiss. Ridiculous. So, for €100, Giles Cassidy. Well, there's an Irish, bit of Irish in old Giles' family. Not only that, he's a Cassidy. Clan Cassidy comes from my area of Ireland, Fermanagh. So, Giles, congratulations. €100 coming your way to spend on what you like, sir. Now, next part is the part I hate, because I have to choose a winner, which I thought was the best video response. Gosh, no wonder I hate competitions, because it means choosing. And I thought, well, I have to choose a winner. I tried to make the two draws reasonable. They're random. That's the luck of the draw. So please, don't be annoyed, everybody. I loved all the videos. I love the effort people made into them to show their pipe collections, to discuss why. But there can be only one. Prize, first of all, is a GAW Day Smoking Pouch Pack. Inside, 4 Falcon Bowls with windy caps, which I use to hold the tobacco. There is a Bulldog, smooth. There is a Plymouth, smooth. A Hunter Algiers. And I picked one of the larger bowls, a Rustic Istanbul. All with their own windy caps to use as pike, or use as a windy cap or as a cap to the bowl. Everybody knows what I do. I pre-fill the bowls because I like different tobaccos. This pouch holds 5, depends if you use 1 or 2 of the smaller bowls. It'll hold 4 of the large bowls. So there's one missing for you to fulfill yourselves. I use 4 or 5 different tobaccos a day. Pre-fill the packs. That zips in. There's a separate little zipper here. And you will also get a new Hunter flat straight spoon stem, people call them. We call them spoons in Irish. Who says we were silly? Yeah? It's pretty obvious it's a spoon. Goodness sakes. I carry in there some pipe cleaners. It's important to use the thinner pipe cleaners for the Falcons. So that's my day pack. That would actually hold two straight stems. It'll hold 1 bent stem, and your cleaners for the day. It'll hold 4 or 5 pipes with their windy caps. You've actually got room for a box of matches in there if you wish to, or a small lighter. That is my day pack. Send you a little case which has got some relief of talon on it, of the old town. That sits inside my jacket, and I'm good for the 4 pipe loads for 30, 25 minutes up to maximum 45, depending on the size of the bowl. That usually sees me through my work if I have 5 of them. So, who did I choose to win that? Very difficult, but to keep us out of your suspense. And the show is completely no bias by GAW. I chose Kevin, the Kernigus Rex. God, did I say that? Did I vote for the English entry? Oh my God, what am I going to do? I'll never be forgiven. I can never go back home again. My head has to hang in shame. Oh no, don't tell me I just did that. Seriously, Kevin. Anyway, Kevin, that's not exactly an English name, is it? That's more Celtic. Are you really a Briton? A proper Briton of the old Celtic background? Anything for a get out clause, please. Anyway, the reason I chose the Kernigus Rex, and you can see his video, apart from explaining why he chose his pipes, the pipes he favoured in quite a lot of detail and effort, which made a lot of sense at the end of the day. And I know from the past he was not a Falcon lover. But Kevin went out and bought himself a Hunter, which is probably one of the better makes, Falcon Hunter, and bowled the test, the theory. Now, little old me on a giveaway. The man went out and spent money to test my like and my functionality of a Falcon, which has nothing to do with the question. It was to explain why they bought pipes. I thought that was amazing. I don't think I've quite changed his view, but I have him on a 50-50. He said he's no longer sure, from a hatred of the things and couldn't see what was in them, to buying one, to putting it together, smoking with it, to being sitting on the fence a little bit. Success, I think. And if you go back to our earlier equation, 1 Falcon equals 4 Fs divided by 4. You need another 4 bowls, Kevin. And of course he sent me an email not that long after saying exactly that. He felt he had to buy some more bowls to see the full functionality of the system. And guess what, Kevin? You don't have to buy anything more. You're getting 4 bowls, a stem, the windy caps, the Mikey Day pouch, and I hope that it works as functionally as well as for you. And as far as farm goes, I love the farm anyway, so enjoy them, smoke them, please, and send me back some review on that. I'm going to leave yous, love yous, thank yous, with a few pictures that have come to me of late. If you really don't like the Falcon form, if you don't think that is the driving point, watch this space and let me change your mind. Some things are stirring down below. I mean way down below. So watch the end of the video. I'll show you a couple of clips and enjoy. Everybody enjoy their pipes for whatever reason they choose them. Please enjoy them, please use them, smoke in public for goodness sakes. Make people realise and be proud of being pipe smokers. We are a community. If we don't help ourselves, nobody on the outside will. They'll take our rights from us, they'll ban us from smoking, etc, etc. They have no idea what it is, so get out there and enjoy your pipes. For whatever reason, if it's form, function or whatever. It's a great hobby, it's a great community. Everybody enjoy. We are a village. We set the rules in our own village. We don't need the outsides to tell us. Anyway, I'm signing off before I rant and rave. Once again, a huge thank you to everybody. Madja is Mace, agus Banach J. That's regards, respect and blessings, whatever your God is, whoever your God is. I don't care, but it's the old Irish saying, God's blessing, whatever that means, or whoever it is. So take care, everybody. Thank you. Bye.
Saw you flying by, flash of turquoise blue, I just had to try to keep your life in view. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise, wish that I could fly. I'd be beside you now, but I could only sigh and watch you circle when we're